Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language in MX Player app. So you do this by first opening the app, and then you have to go to your profile at the bottom. And you have to make sure that your MX Player is up to date. So if it's not updated, please make sure to go to the Play Store and update it to the latest version. So once you do that, you come to your profile, and then you can tap on settings here, and at the very bottom you can see app language, and you're going to choose on the language that you want to choose. So I'm just going to choose on this Spanish, and this will ask you to restart the app, and you will have to press OK and continue with the restart. But before this, the app will ask you to download a language plugin, so you'll have to download it first in order to change the language. So once you download the plugin and you tap on the language you want to choose, you just tap on restart and click on OK. Once you restart the app, it will now change everything to Spanish, I believe. So as you can see, all of the text now has been changed to Spanish. These folders did not change because these are the folders created by me, so you can change language by yourself or customize your folder names, but everything else on the app is now changed to Spanish. So I'm just going to change this back to English, and this will ask me to restart again. So I'm just going to tap on OK. And now everything is back to English, and that's how you can easily change your language in MX Player. Thank you for watching.